In this question, we are given a histogram which shows information about the numbers of minutes some people waited to be served at a post office. And the question is to work out an estimate for the proportion of these people who waited longer than 20 minutes to be served. Now, one thing you have to remember about histograms is that the area of each bar represents the number of people. So, not area of each bar represents the number of people. Okay. So if you want to find the number of people who waited for more than 20 minutes, so you can say for more than 20 minutes, area of the bar for more than 20 minutes, area of the bar will be equal to, now this will be represented by the area of this bar here. So that will be equal to 30 minus 20 multiplied by the height of the bar, which is 1. And this is just equal to 10. So this will be equal to 10. And this is the number of people, so 10 people. Okay, so we have 10 people who will be, these are the people who waited for longer than 20 minutes to be served. Now, and then another thing that you have to find here is the total number of people. So we need total number of people. Number of people. Now, to find the total number of people, we have to find the area of all bars. Okay, so this is equal to area of all bars. All right, so we need to find the area of all bars. We can start from this one here. So the area of this bar here will be equal to so here we have 30 minus 15, which will be 15. So 15 multiplied by 1, which is just 15. Actually, I can just write 15 multiplied by 1. We'll do the calculation later on. And then here, the area of this bar here will be, now if you look at the height of this bar, it's 2.2. So the area of this bar here will be 5 multiplied by 2.2. The area of this bar here and the height here is 3.4. So the area of this bar here will be, okay, I'll just write it up here. That will be equal to 5 multiplied by 3.4. The area of this bar here, now from here to here, that's 2. And the height of this bar is 4. So that will be 3 multiplied by 4. The area of this bar here, this one here will be, the height of this bar is 2.5. So that's 2.5. So the area will be 2 multiplied by 2.5. All right, so the total area of all bars, this will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2.5 plus 3 multiplied by 4 plus 5 multiplied by 3.4 plus 5 multiplied by 2.2 plus 15 multiplied by 1. So all this will be equal to 60. Okay, and now what they want us to find is the proportion of those people. So the proportion of those people will just be uh, 10 out of 60, because here you have a total of 60 people, which is a sixth. Okay, next question, number 24. We have a histogram which shows information about times taken by a cell phone call center for answering incoming calls. Work out an estimate for the percentage of calls that were answered in less than 40 seconds. So less than 40 seconds, again, the area of the bar represents the number of calls. So areas of bars less than 40 seconds. So areas of bars uh, representing less than 40 seconds. Um, so this will be equal to, so if less than 40 seconds, so 40 seconds is here. So less than 40 seconds will be this bar here. And that is 3.1. The height of this is 3.1. So the area of this, and that is 10. The, the area of this bar will be 10 multiplied by 3.1. Now the area of this bar here, that's 30, and this is 2.2. So the area of this bar will be 20 multiplied by 2.2. And then from here to here is 10. So this portion here, the area of that portion will be equal to, and that's 0.9 right there, 0.9. So basically the area of this portion will be 0.9 multiplied by 10. All right, so this will be equal to 10 multiplied by 3.1 plus 20 multiplied by 2.2 plus 0.9 multiplied by 10. And all this will be equal to 84 calls, yeah? So these are the number of calls, because you're looking at percentage of calls. All right, total area of all bars will be equal to, all right, so back here, let's just take this out, because we want the area of all bars, so I may have to take this out. To calculate the area of all bars. All right, so the area of this bar here now, whole of this bar, will be equal to 30 multiplied by 0.9. And then the area of this bar here will be equal to 60 multiplied by the height of this bar, which is 0.3. All right, so let's write that down here. So we have 10 multiplied by 3.1 plus 20 multiplied by 2.2 plus 30 multiplied by 0.9 plus 60 multiplied by 0.3. And all this will be equal to 120 calls. Yeah. So this is the number of calls which will be equal to 120. So now we can go ahead and find, using these two answers here, we can find the percentage of calls in less than 40 seconds. So we know that 84 calls were done in less than 40 seconds, and total number of calls is 120. And then we want this as a percentage. We multiply by 100, and this will be equal to 70%.